Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to protect your iPhone with a passcode and Touch ID, but you're not sure where to enable it, how Touch ID works with a passcode, or how to set everything correctly, don't worry. iPhone Settings 2026 lets you secure your device using Touch ID plus passcode for fast access and strong protection. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to set a passcode using Touch ID on your iPhone in 2026 like a pro. Okay, so first step, open settings and go to Touch ID and passcode. Okay, so tap settings, scroll down until you find Touch ID and passcode. Okay, so I don't have it in my version or in my iPhone. Okay, so I had Face ID and passcode, so it would be here. Tap it. Okay, so if prompted, enter your current passcode. Okay, or continue if you are setting one for the first time. So now tap turn passcode on. So if it's not set, tap this option. If no passcode is set yet, tap turn passcode on. So a passcode is required for Touch ID to work and even for Face ID. Okay, so when asked, choose one of the following. Okay, so there is 6-digit passcode, okay, 4-digit passcode, or custom numeric code. Okay, so enter the passcode and confirm it again. So now set up Touch ID, which is the fingerprint scan. So after setting the passcode, iPhone will ask you to configure Touch ID. Tap add a fingerprint, then place your finger on the home button and lift and rest your finger repeatedly. Adjust finger position as instructed. Okay, so wait until setup complete and then tap continue. Okay, so this is it guys for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.